Timișoara, Romania. Timișoara is a city located in western Romania, near the country's border with Hungary and Serbia. It is the capital of Timiș County and is known for its rich history, cultural diversity, and architectural beauty. Timișoara is a beautiful city located in western Romania and is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and charming architecture. If you're planning a visit to Timișoara, here are some must-see attractions and activities. Union Square, Piața Unirii. This is the heart of Timișoara and is surrounded by colorful Baroque-style buildings. The Union Square is a great place to start your exploration of the city, with many cafes, restaurants, and shops to enjoy. The square is a great starting point for exploring the shops and boutiques in the city center. You'll find a variety of goods, from clothing and jewelry to souvenirs and local crafts. From Union Square, you can easily explore other parts of Timișoara's city center. Nearby attractions include Victory Square, Piața Victoriei, St. George's Cathedral, Catedrala Sfântul Gheorghe, and the Metropolitan Cathedral, Catedrala Metropolitana. In the evening, Union Square comes to life with a vibrant nightlife scene. Many of the bars and restaurants in the area offer entertainment and a chance to experience Timișoara's nightlife. Overall, Union Square is a must-visit destination in Timișoara due to its historical significance, architectural beauty, and lively atmosphere. It provides a great introduction to the city's culture and is a convenient starting point for exploring other nearby attractions. Metropolitan Cathedral, Catedrala Metropolitana. This stunning Orthodox cathedral is a prominent landmark in Timișoara, known for its impressive architecture and beautiful interior. Victory Square, Piața Victoriei, another central square in the city. Victory Square is home to the impressive Memorial Museum of the 1989 Revolution, commemorating the events that led to the fall of communism in Romania. Victory Square, Piața Victoriei, is another prominent and historically significant square in Timișoara, Romania, located in the city center. This square is known for its impressive architecture, historical monuments, and role in the events of the 1989 Romanian Revolution. The square's architecture, monuments, and historical buildings make it a popular spot for photographers looking to capture the essence of Timișoara. Visiting Victory Square provides not only a glimpse into Romania's recent history but also an opportunity to appreciate the city's architectural and cultural heritage. It's a place where you can reflect on the country's journey toward democracy while enjoying the beauty of the square and its surroundings. Timișoara Orthodox Cathedral, Catedrala Ortodoxă din Timișoara. This is the largest Orthodox church in Romania and boasts a striking design with a tall, impressive dome. Memorial Museum of the 1989 Revolution. Learn about the history of the Romanian Revolution and the role Timișoara played in it at this informative museum. Hunyade Castle, Castelul Hunyade. This medieval fortress has been beautifully restored and now houses the Banat Museum, which showcases the history and culture of the region. Hunyade Castle has a long and fascinating history that dates back to the 14th century. It was originally built as a fortress by John Hunyadi, Ioan de Hunedoara, a prominent Hungarian military leader and voivode of Transylvania. The castle served both defensive and residential purposes during its early years. Hunyade Castle is conveniently located in the city center of Timișoara, making it easily accessible for tourists exploring the city's attractions. Check the local event calendar to see if any special events are taking place during your visit. The Opera House in Timișoara, officially known as the Opera Națională Română din Timișoara, Romanian National Opera of Timișoara, is one of the city's most important cultural institutions. The Timișoara Opera House is typically located in the city center, making it easily accessible for both locals and tourists. Attending a performance at the Timișoara Opera House is not only a cultural experience but also an opportunity to appreciate the city's dedication to the arts and its rich cultural heritage. Whether you're a fan of opera, ballet, or classical music, or if you simply want to immerse yourself in the local culture, a visit to the Timișoara Opera House can be a memorable and enriching experience. Be sure to check the schedule and plan ahead to attend a performance during your visit to Timișoara. Central Park, Parcul Central. Take a leisurely stroll through Timișoara's Central Park, which features picturesque lakes, walking paths, and a lovely rose garden. Central Park is known for its lush greenery, serene lakes, and well-maintained gardens. It offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, making it a popular spot for relaxation and leisure. Central Park is centrally located in Timișoara, making it easily accessible by foot or public transportation. It's a convenient place to include in your itinerary while exploring the city. Whether you're looking for a peaceful place to unwind, have a leisurely picnic, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature in an urban setting, Central Park in Timișoara is a delightful destination. It's a testament to the city's commitment to preserving green spaces for its residents and visitors to enjoy. Art museums. Timișoara has several art museums, including the Museum of Fine Arts and the Art Museum of the Banat. Lover's Bridge, known as Podul Dragostei in Romanian, is a romantic landmark located in Timișoara, Romania. This charming bridge is a symbol of love and is a popular spot for couples to leave padlocks as a symbol of their affection for one another. Lover's Bridge is situated in the heart of Timișoara, near Union Square, Piața Unirii, and the Metropolitan Orthodox Cathedral, Catedrala Ortodoxă din Timișoara. Its central location makes it easily accessible for visitors exploring the city. From the bridge, you can enjoy scenic views of the surrounding area, including the cathedral and the picturesque Union Square. It's a lovely spot for taking photos or simply savoring a romantic moment. The bridge's setting, with its decorative iron railings, contributes to the romantic atmosphere of the place. It's a popular location for couples to visit, especially in the evening when the bridge is illuminated. The tradition of love locks has become widespread in many cities around the world, including Timișoara. While some consider it a charming gesture, others have raised concerns about the environmental impact and safety of having too many locks on bridges. If you're in Timișoara with your partner or simply want to witness a romantic tradition in action, Lover's Bridge is a must-visit spot. It's a small but delightful landmark that encapsulates the idea of everlasting love, making it a memorable place to visit in the city. Timișoara has several charming historic neighborhoods with well-preserved architecture. Wander through the streets of fabric and Iosephine to discover the unique character. Enjoy Romanian cuisine. Sample traditional Romanian dishes at local restaurants, including mamaliga, cornmeal porridge, sarmale, cabbage rolls, and mici, grilled sausages. Timișoara is a city with a rich cultural heritage and plenty to offer visitors. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply enjoying the local culture, you'll find plenty to see and do in this charming Romanian city. Thanks for watching.